Ever get an AI answer that's almost right, but still not something you'd actually send? That's because the first AI response is a draft, not a final. Refinement prompts tell the AI what to improve instead of starting over. You keep what works, fix what doesn't, and raise the quality step by step. Instead of asking for a brand new answer, try this, tighten this, make this more direct, rewrite this to sound more confident and conversational. Small refinements like these make a huge difference. The mistake is reprompting from scratch every time. That throws away context and voice. The fix is targeted edits, tell the AI exactly what to change and what to keep. Refinement prompts are especially powerful for resumes, cover letters, executive summaries, sales emails, and scripts anywhere credibility and tone matter. AI works best in revision mode. Treat the first answer like a draft, refine deliberately, and the output starts sounding like you, not the model.